Now, in order to get to the camshaft position sensor bank 1, this is the one. You need to take out the intake from the throttle body and the air filter. So this is the first half that goes to the throttle body, and then that's the one that goes to the air filter box. It's easy to remove them. It's just like yeah, this one is the number 8 socket for the worm gear. So yeah, we'll see how to get that one. Yep. That's causing some hesitation sometimes when driving the vehicle if you get this camshaft position sensor error code. So I got the connector out and I'm loosening it. It's a number 10 mm socket. Got the socket out. Time to pull this sensor. Yep. There you go. Yep. And this is the replacement sensor, which looks pretty similar, and it has an O-ring with it. So I'm gonna put some oil on the O-ring before I insert it. Okay, putting in the new sensor. Yep. Just puts it in. Yeah. With the new O-ring, it's gonna be tough. Putting it. It should be there. Yep, and I'm tightening it. Oop. And tightening it. Limited space too. Okay, so I got the connector back in, so I'm gonna put this intake back. By the way, this intake doesn't have any connections for any other hoses except for this one, so it's a direct, what they call that. So basically putting it in and taking it out is straightforward. So I'm gonna try align this one properly. Okay, now for the second part. Yeah, there's also no connected hose in here, so you just like align this and secure the other end to the filter box and you're good to go. Okay, so everything is in place now. Everything is one locked. The sluts are in proper place. Yep. And this is also tightened. Yep, without removing this intake, it's gonna be a hard access to the camshaft position sensor. Okay, so we'll see if the codes will clear, or it needs a scan needs a scan tool to reset it. Okay, so it needs a scan tool to reset it. Okay. Check engine light is still on. Yep. And ABS is also on. Okay, so here's the DTC report. Camshaft position sensor. Yep. So that's the one we replaced, bank 1. Transmission, speed of engine, low fluid pressure, that's past, so that's history. And then anti-lock brake system, the right front sensor, yeah, that's the one that we replaced too. And CAN communication circuit, that's also passed. So that's it. I'm gonna save this and exit, and then we're gonna clear all the DTCs. There should be nothing. Yep, clearing DTC. Come on. Yeah, these 2005s, 2004s, they're very slow systems. Yeah, the computer modules are way slower on older models. So yep. And left brake system. We got the new sensor now, so we should clear it out. Oh crap. Oh, why is the sensor still bad? Right front sensor. Huh. Weird. Huh. It wouldn't clear. So the sensor that I have is still busted. No, it cleared it. So we're gonna clear it again. Oh crap. Huh. We'll try do a clear DTC. Says no DTC found. It's weird. Okay, we'll just try turn it on and see what happens. So definitely something is wrong with the ABS. Check engine light is gone, but I think the sensor is still busted. I tried the ABS.